Welcome back! In this tutorial, we'll look at how you can use Clicker Analytics to assess the work your class has produced. The Analytics tool allows you to quickly and easily access information about how learners have put together their work and the support they have used. To assess a document, go to the Analytics ribbon tab. On the right-hand side, you will have a chart with information on the percentage of words input in different ways. From the keyboard, the predictor, clicker sets, spell check, and words that have been pasted in. In the document, the different words are now colour-coded, so black has been typed, purple has come from the predictor, red from spell check, and green, yellow and blue come from different clicker sets. You can now go into the different tabs to see further information on the support the child has used. In the predictor, we can see the words that were chosen, what was typed before the word was selected, and whether the speech was used to listen to the word as well. We can see the same information for the spell check in its own tab. In Clicker Sets, we can see the grids that were used, the words that were selected and whether they were listened to. In the document, words in green come from sentence sets, yellow from connect sets, and blue from word banks. By selecting the Teacher Notes from the Analytics ribbon, we can add any further information which can be printed alongside the information given in review. Thanks for watching. See our other tutorials for more Clicker features.